Hi guys, welcome to tutorial race, and in this last video you will learn how to delete the record prompt using this PDO statement. So now let's create a new file, and then let's start here PHP, and then PHP close, and then here this is the connection. Okay, so now we need to create here $db host, then so it will be pd delete dot php $host, so it will be localhost host, then db name equals to CRUD PDO, and then db username root, root, and then db user password blank. Right, now delete from table. So here the table name is, in our case it is country, okay, where id equal to this id, and then $con prepare here $id. So we can do something. So here $id equals to $_get, and then slash id. So based on id, the record, this one will be deleted. Country the United States. Now let's open it, and let's write here delete dot php, then id equals to 1. So let's see, id equals to Saudi Arabia is 2 times 13. We'll pass here argument as 13. Okay, oh, there is something wrong. Here will be this one, delete dot php id equals to 13, undefined variable db host $db host, okay, so this 13 shouldn't be there. Yeah, one record is deleted. You can see here there is no record called 13. So you can see that deleting is also easy here using this PDO statement. So this is the last video in this series, and in the next series I'm going to show you how to do this complete CRUD operation using PDO. So check my next video series in the playlist. So stay connected. See you in the next video.